Hello?
Hello?
We're guessing sounds. Turn it up.
That's my max.
That's the max?
Yeah.
Okay. What? Is it? It's a bouncing ball.
Bouncing ball? No, it's clipping toenails.
Oh, what the fuck?
That's much. It sounds like a kickflip a little bit.
A kickflip. You want it one more time?
Yeah, one more time. I'm gonna go with a skateboard.
It was opening a 2-liter.
How is that even a thing?
Whoa. I'm just imagining like someone. Are they beating meat?
Not beating meat, they're beating something though.
The table?
It is a table bang. Okay. It sounds like you're doing the dishes.
Is that your final answer?
Wait, hold on, let me the fucking tap is throwing me off. Yeah, you're doing the dishes.
Close. You're stirring mac and cheese. It sounds like SpongeBob walking.
Your final answer?
No, let me hear it again. It's an RC car stuck against a wall.
That's your final answer.
Yeah.
It was SpongeBob walking.
Oh, what?